Hello, this is Rain. If you're looking for a particular kind of mosaic tile design that is one of the kind and can fit your outdoor natural pool perfectly, then the new series of our porcelain marble mosaic tile that I'm going to introduce, you have to pay close attention. This series provides outstanding natural stone look and a gradual change of green color, so when it is applied to your pool, a South Asian tropical feel immediately presented. The idea of this mosaic tile comes from a special marble from Thailand. The variation in pieces and shade adds to the unique beauty and natural look of the pool. This series of marble look porcelain pool tile has both smooth matte finish and smooth glossy finish, so that it is not just touched like a natural stone but also acquires high anti-slip nature. It comes by mesh so that it is very easily installed. It is resistant to frost, fading, staining, and discoloration, so it is good for both interior and exterior usage. These stone lacquer pool tiles are perfect choice to the pools, pool decks, gardens, bathroom walls, and kitchen backsplash. That's all for today. See you next time.